This video explores understanding disability and its relationship to financial inclusion. Let's begin with why it is so important that we understand disability and financial inclusion together. We will now look at global disability data and the population that this impacts. Let's now look at how we actually define disability. The UN Convention defines disability as long-term impairments interacting with societal barriers. Disabilities can be varied. Let's look at the different types. We'll categorize the different types of disabilities. For example, physical disabilities, sensory disabilities, intellectual disabilities, psychosocial disabilities, etc. Some disabilities are outwardly visible, while others are not. Understanding the difference between visible and invisible disabilities. There are different models for understanding disability, the medical and social models. The medical model views disability as a personal problem to be fixed. The social model says disability is due to barriers in society, not an individual problem. Why is disability inclusion important to financial services? Accessible financial services enable equal participation for people with disabilities. Key principles that make financial inclusion possible. We will now explain the core principles of inclusive finance. What value does inclusion bring to individuals and the market? Let's now view some short scenes depicting the value of inclusion. Let's now look at a myth and fact about disability. Addressing a common myth with an accurate fact. Everyone has a role to play in removing barriers to inclusion. Join us in creating an inclusive financial future for everyone. Thanks for watching us.